Wheel pose. To begin, lie on your back. Bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the floor in a parallel position in line with your sitting bones, about a foot's distance away from your hips. Press your feet firmly into the floor. Place your hands on the floor just above your shoulders with your fingers facing your shoulders. Press into your hands and lift your upper body off the mat, resting the crown of your head lightly on the mat. Press into your feet and lift your pelvis and back off the mat, activating your inner thighs. Push more into your feet, bringing more of your weight into your palms. This will protect your lower back. Maintain strength and stability in your arms by continuing to press firmly into the mat. Let your head hang in a neutral position, making sure not to strain your neck. Hold it here for 5 cycles of breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down to settle the head first, then the shoulders, followed with the hips and the legs.